let me say I want to explain what is actually market execution, sell order, buy limits, and so on, limit orders, and so on. So let me use for example, I want to enter a trade after my analysis. Let me say on gold, USD. So I will click here. I will see new order. I'll click on new order. Let me say after my analysis, I actually see that gold is going on a downtrend also. So this is exactly what is market execution. I'm just sell at that particular moment. I will execute the order at that particular order or at that particular point. Do you see it? So this is what we call market execution. So executing this order at this particular point. So this is what it means. Yeah, sell orders. I want to explain what is sell orders. So I believe that from let me say from this chart, I believe that this market is going to still go down. It's going to still go down. Let me say and hit somewhere like 25, 21. Let me say I believe that it's going to still hit here 25. It's going to still hit 25.18. Let me say here it's going to still hit here. So let me say that I'll enter another order. Now I will say that whenever the price actually is 25.20, let it take me in, or 25.20, yeah, 25, let me say 25.19. Let it take me in. So I will click here, click on new order. So as I was saying, let me say that I want to enter an order. Let me say I want to enter an order, and I believe that let me view this, and I believe that this is going to still go up or is still going to go down. Let me use this JPY for an example, this GBP USD for an example. And I believe that this is an uptrend and the market is going to still go up after my analysis, and it's going up already. So I can just say that whenever this hits somewhere like 1 point, let me say 1 point 1.30290, that let it take me in the market. 1.30290. So 1.30290, let it take me in. So now what I am actually placing at this particular time is what we call buy order. So 1.30290, let it take me in. So I will just come here. Yeah, I will just come here and then place an order. Do you understand? I'll just come here and place an order. I'll just say I'll click here, new order. This is, I'll click on here. You see buy order, buy stop order. I'll click buy stop order. This is, so I say that whenever it reaches 1.30290, let it take me in the market. Do you understand? So I believe it is an uptrend. Let me say for example, I believe it's an uptrend. So I will just place the order. Do you see it? So I place the order. So here you'll be seeing that whenever the market is 1.309 1.30290, it will take me in the market. Do you see it? So I've explained what is called buy stop order. So buy stop order. So I'm going to still explain what is called sell stop order. So if I actually believe that the market, let me view this chart. If I am going to go down, I believe that the market is still going to go down. So I'll come here and I will be like, okay, this market is still going to go down. So what am I going to do? And this is the current price of the market. So I believe that the market is going to go down. So I will decide that whenever the market reaches somewhere like 1 point, let me say 1 point, let me say 25, 19.9, 25.19.9. Let it take me in the market. 29.19, that is 25.19.9. Let it take me in the market. So I'll come here. I'll be like, okay, new order, new order. I'll click here. So we are explaining what is what sell stop now. I'll click here. I'll be like, whenever the market hits 25, 19.9, let it take me in the market. Do you see it? So I'll place the order. Yes, it. I'll place the order. Do you see it? So I say that whenever the market reaches here, let it take me in the market. So I just place the order now. So I've already explained what is called the buy stop order, and the sell stop order. So now I'm going to explain what is what did they call it? What is called the buy limit and the sell limit. Yeah, I said earlier that the buy limit is when you believe that the market is in an uptrend, yeah, and that the market is going to reverse a little bit and hit your entry and start going up. Yeah, so this concept is what we called what buy is what we called buy limit. So let me view this chart. Let me just view this chart. So this chart is already okay. You're already on profit on this. So let me say here now, I believe that okay. Let me say from here now, I believe that this market is going to come down and hit my entry and start going up. And let me say I'm seeing something here or here. Okay, I'm seeing something here that the market is going to come here and hit um my entry and start going up. Yeah, and start going up again. That is going to come down and hit my entry and start going up. So I'll enter a buy limit that whenever the market hits 1.30229 is going to what enter the market automatically. So I'm going to place an order now. So I'll go here, I'll go back, click on here, new order. So when I click on new order, it's still on the market execution. I'll click on the market execution. So when I click on the market execution, I will see buy limit. I'll click on buy limit. So when I click on buy limit, I'll come here and then say when the market reach 1.30229, let it take me in the market. Let me say here now is where we normally put our stock, our lot size. Yeah, I've already explained what is lot size. If you don't understand what is lot size, you can go to our previous videos in our Telegram group and watch it. Yeah, and watch it in our YouTube and then watch it up. So this is, I've explained what is called stop loss and so on. So let me say 0.04, something like that, and then you put your stop loss and then put your TP. Yeah, and put your TP. So that is it. So I'll place the order. You see it, I've already placed the order. So let's keep on going. So I've already explained what is called buy limit. So let me explain what is what sell limit. Okay, let me come to this point now. To this point. Yeah, sell limit. Okay, let me come to this point. Let me say after my analysis and I found out that okay, market is actually going down. Yeah, I found that market is actually going down, and I am looking for an entry. I'm looking for an entry. Yeah, I'm looking for an entry that, and also I believe that this entry is going to still go up and hit my entry and start going to the normal direction I'm actually seeing in the market. So let me see from here now. This is where the current what price is. So I will say that whenever price actually go below the current price, so whenever price actually comes somewhere like here, let me say somewhere like here, let it take me in the market. So somewhere like 2526.350. So let it take me in the market. So whenever price reach there, let it take me into the market. So let me go to my gold. I'll go to new order. Go to new order. Then click on what? Sell limit. So when I click on sell limit, I will click 2526.350. So whenever it is here, let it take me in. So I've already pressed the order. So is where we do our market execution. Here is where we did our buy stop order. Buy stop order. Here is where we did our sell stop order. You can see it, sell stop order. So here we did our buy limit. Here we also do our we did our sell limit. So you can see, so all these have not actually entered yet. So this is a simple way to actually explain these three major forms of trading orders we have. So we have market execution, we have buy limit, we have buy stop, we have sell stop, we have buy limit, and we have sell limit. So anyone you are entering, just make sure that after your analysis you are sure of what you are actually doing. So this is just a rough sketch I just did. So do your analysis very well, and then make sure that you understand what you are actually doing. Do you understand, before you enter any trade? So this is my MT5. You can still use MT4 to do the same. Yeah, it's absolutely the same thing. I started with MT4 before I even start using this MT5. So it's the same thing. They are absolutely the same thing. Do you understand what I mean? So they are absolutely the same thing. So just to make sure that you are always on the right track and the other concept. So I'm going to talk about how you can modify your trade. You can actually modify your trade. Let me say, for example, I want to modify this trade now. I'll come here. Somewhere here. I'll come here, hold it. When I hold it, you see modify position. You click on modify position. So if you enter a trade and you have not put your stop loss, remember I say that risk management is very, very important in trading. So always note it, risk management. So after, pay attention more on your risk management than even your strategy. Yeah, pay more attention, know how much you're actually risking in your account. So let me say, each of my trade, I can risk 1%, I can risk 2%, I can risk 3%, depending on what I'm saying in the market. But the maximum I prefer for beginners, risk 1%, highest the maximum of 2%, and then you can target 5% of your account. You can target 10% of your account, depending on what you are actually seeing in the market. Do you understand? Then pay more attention on your stop loss, on your risk management. Is very, very important, because you see some people, they will enter trade anyhow and they'll end up losing their account, blowing their account. There is no way that you risk 1%, you risk 1% of your account and you enter 100 trades, you lost everything. It's not possible. One must actually enter. So if you risk 1% of your account and you're targeting 5% of your account, and let me say, for example, you enter, like in a week, you enter like 3 trades and the 2 entered and 1 failed. That means you have grown your account to 10% and you lose only 1%. That means you are still in a profit of 9% of your account. So this is what I normally takes down on when I'm actually talking about risk management. When I'm talking about risk management, so it's very, very important. It's very, very important. It's very, very, absolutely very, very important. And they also coming to, when I was talking about USD correlation, always note that it's very, very important for some of you that trade gold pairs, USD pairs, and some other pairs. Pay attention to USD correlation. It's very, very important. So always take note of those things. Yeah, always take note of those things. So coming to this, I've already explained what I have actually need to explain to you people. Yeah, what I actually need to explain to people. So just rewatch it over and over again to understand the concepts and how to actually execute the market. So that is it. Keep on practicing and practicing and practicing. Yeah, keep on practicing and practicing and practicing. So that is it. So no need. So thank you very much for listening to all this. Listening and put it to practice and rewatch it over and over again to understand the concept. So thank you all.